Let's get to the first segment of the day. Hormaz joins in from the big wall with all the top stocks. Hormaz.
Back to business as usual because the benchmark indices were a bit of a struggle, consolidating in snooze mode, but the broader markets were in a league of their own. And as you were highlighting, the PSU Banks, they were the sector of the day today as well. Second day of gains. The Canara Bank X split today, but the stock ended 5% higher. It was the top gainer in today's session on the PSU Bank Index. And barring PNB, all other constituents, Indian Bank, Union Bank, Bank of India, UCO Bank, all of them ended with gains in today's session. But the flip side, FMCG continued to struggle for the second day in a row, and Colgate was the lead laggard there in that sector. After the earnings, they're 5.5% lower for Colgate and Dabur, UBL, Marico, all of them seeing losses of anywhere between 1 to 2%. Plenty of other earnings that came out today and after market hours yesterday and saw some extreme reactions. Granules not so much, but Jyoti Laboratories ending 4% lower. Repco Home a 5% gain, but slightly off the highs of the day. Siemens at a record high, 6.5% higher, and PFC as well reacting to earnings 3.5% higher. Some MSCI updates that came in earlier this morning, and most of the reactions that came in stocks like Zomato, Vedanta, Zomato and Vedanta is because, and in Suzlon as well, that's because of the weightage increase that will result in more inflows for these stocks. And Zomato, PB Fintech and NHPC, the inclusions there, PB Fintech ending 4% higher, but NHPC not having a good day today. And lastly, real estate is another sector that stood out in an otherwise sleepy market. Brigade Enterprises 9.5% higher today, at almost 1100 now is Brigade. Sobha, Prestige, Oberoi, all constituents of the real estate index having a good day in today's session. Back to you.
All right, Hormaz, thanks very much for that. So that's a wrap out of what happened. Let's get in.